Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to log in with security token. Let's begin. Logging into Salesforce using a security token is necessary when accessing Salesforce from an external application or tool, like for example a data loader or an API integration, or even when logging in from a new IP address. The security token is an additional layer of security that ensures only authorized users can access Salesforce from outside trusted networks. Once you are logged into your account, for you to be able to do that is, I need you to click the profile icon here on the upper right corner. There should be an option here that says settings. Click that. And on the left side panel of your personal information, there's going to be an option that says reset my security token. I want you to click on it. Now, as you can see, when you access Salesforce from an IP address that isn't trusted from your company or for your company, and you use a desktop client or the API, you need a security token to log in. Now, if you're asking what's a security token, basically it's a case-sensitive alphanumeric code that's tied to your password. Whenever your password is reset, your security tokens is also reset. I want you to click on this button right here because it would forward you to another window. They will send an email to the associated email to your Salesforce account. In my case, that's going to be deplats.com. I'm going to check on it very quick. Now, as I have checked on the email very quick, you see, this is going to be the security token, which is case sensitive. Of course, I'm going to blur it out, so I don't want you to use the security token. But again, of course, you have all these, and you can use this security token whenever you log in. Now, on the bottom, it says, if you want more information on using your security token or reset your security token, you might want to click on this link right here. Let's check. Now, if you wanted more help, you might want to check on this information. I want you to read and understand all of this, all right? It's very important because when you log in using a security token, you need to append this security token to your password, all right? Ensuring secure access to your data even when accessing Salesforce from outside trusted IP ranges or through external applications. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.